It's hot. Turn the air down. I'm sweating right now like a pig. I'm sweating like a pig.
You're always hot. I'm always cold.
No.
I'm always like a small twig. You're always like a little fluff.
You said I'm like a penguin once. You used to say that.
Penguin, a fluffed up penguin.
You just said I was like a penguin before.
No, you're more like a fluff now. Did you say burrito?
I was talking about a baby and a burrito or something like that. Like a baby burrito.
Baby burrito.
Let my phone listen.
You're recording it?
Yeah.
You're terrible. Why?
I just started recording. Be quiet.
That's horrible. Don't do that crap.
Why not?
That's mean.
Well, I'm being mean.
We're loud.
Well, they're being loud. They're letting everybody know.
Yeah, doesn't mean you have to record it.
They're letting let the they're gonna let the world know.
You're being stupid.
You're being stupid.
You're being stupid.
You better get my baby back.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Hold on. Ain't no way around
That's
it.
their personal business.
Yeah, well, they're letting everybody know.
Well, yeah, but that doesn't mean you have to go over there and get in it.
I'm not. I'm just recording.
You're getting in it.
No, I just happen to be recording while it's happening.
You're purposely recording.
No, I'm not, dude.
Yes, you are.
It just happens to be recording right now.
You're such a liar. You purposely started recording it.
So?
You're being stupid. Mind your business.
No, I can't mind my business if it's loud.
You can mind your business.
No.
Yes, you can. You're just being stupid. You just have a boring life and don't have nothing else to do.
So?
Your life is so boring that you have to go over there and try to get in their business.
I don't even think this thing can hear it anyways. Let me see. Look at all this toilet paper.
Leave her alone, it's funny.
I don't care what's going on.
Hey guys, in the beginning of that singing, in the beginning of that arguing video, there's like a singing voice or some kind of voice that's going like some kind of weird singing thing. I don't know what that was. That was not intentionally
Some
put
kind
there.
Of TV voice.
It wasn't definitely not a TV.
Some kind of TV.
But it was
you hear
weird.
everything in an apartment.
Okay,